The cabin air filter in a 2015-2020 Chevy Suburban is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box. Then, locate the access door or panel at the back or top of the glove box compartment. Release the glove box hinges by pressing the tabs or removing screws. Lower the glove box fully. Next, unscrew or unclip the filter housing cover. Finally, pull out the old filter, noting its orientation for correct replacement. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the arrows on the filter point in the direction of airflow. Use OEM part numbers like GM's 9501508 or equivalents from K&N or Fram. The filter measures approximately 8 to 10 inches wide, 6 to 8 inches tall, and 1 to 2 inches thick. Reassemble the housing and glove box by reversing the removal steps, securing all clips and screws. Test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and function. Dispose of the old filter responsibly, as it may contain particulates. For optimal air quality, Chevrolet recommends changing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 15 months, depending on driving conditions.